Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the essential assets and locking your canvas to a square ratio. Choose a 1080 x 1080 or larger so details stay sharp. Once done, pick a cohesive Preppy palette, navy plus cream, or pastel blues with blush, and limit colors to 3 to keep the look crisp. Next, lay out reference photos for collared shirts, sweaters, and minimal accessories. This first actionable step gets your visual language ready and avoids redoing composition later. You now build the composition with intent. Frame the subject chest up so the face and accessories read even at small sizes. Use a soft, 45-degree key light and a faint rim to separate hair from background, because clarity matters when avatars scale down. Then block shapes with clean lines and introduce 2-3 textures, knit for sweaters, cotton for shirts, leather for accessories, to convey preppy materiality. Make sure to test at thumbnail size as you refine so every element remains readable. You finish by refining contrast, sharpening key edges, and exporting multiple sizes. Apply a modest 10–15% sharpening to the eyes and collar so they pop in thumbnails, and do a final color balance pass. Small hue shifts or a half-stop exposure adjustment can rescue a flat image. Once done, export at 1x and 2x, PNG for crispness and a compressed JPG for fast loading. If things still look muddy, check layer blending modes or revert to the original palette, and repeat the select.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.